So I did my presentation on cacao seeds. Um, so what are cacao seeds? First of all, they're your beloved dessert, chocolate. Basically, what it is, chocolate. Where do they come from? They come from a fruit, a tree. They called it fruit of the gods. That's what the Mayans called it. Which grow within the pits surrounded it. So you see, like around the whole shell, that's where they grow inside. Um, the cacao beans are produced in the tropical zones, in like warmer climates. They usually come around West African countries such as Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, and Cameroon. Um, Most of the countries have two periods peak of production per year, so they kind of take a while to like grow. But a main harvest and smaller harvest, the cacao farmers use handle steel tools to reach the pods and cut them without wounding the soft bark of the tree, and they just like put them into baskets. Um, First, the cacao beans are collected and put into piles in the containers for them to ferment. The fermentation makes the sugar in the beans turn into alcohol. Beans are dried and cleaned. The chocolate makers must cook the beans and crush them to make them a cocoa butter, and the chocolate liquor come out of them, and it processes cocoa powder. And they do like roasting, peeling, crushing, grinding, oil pressing, power grinding, you name it. Um, and they use different. Well, in our America, we use higher production of machines in order to manufacture them. Um, the cacao is believed to have evolved in the upper Amazon of the region, and now parts today include such as Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. But probably or from the spread of northward, probably in to help Americans. What am I saying? Across from Central, where it became part of their diet and culture. Um, so basically, the cacao seeds have a long history, like such as like the Holocaust. Um, you know, they would do make trades for the chocolates, and it would be kind of expensive to trade, honestly. But they spread out pretty quick. So, like the Mayans, they introduced it to France, and France, made them into like hot drinks, at first, and then they spread it throughout, and then um, and introduced milk chocolate. I thought that was pretty cool. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.